Hello students, welcome to Tiger's Digital Online Classes. So we had started with our fifth chapter, that is the way the world looks. I hope so after this chapter you had seen from your balcony or from your terrace how the what we say parking area looks, and you had observed actually when you go in the parking how it looks. Okay, so let's start with the next part, that is page number 57, the park behind Gappu's house. So you had know the in starting of this chapter only we had seen the Gappu where he had climbed on a string of a balloon, and he had seen the view of from the top view of his the house. Then he went with the help of the air he went outside of a house. Then he saw the area around the house, which shop is there. And he saw the railway track also where the Monty cat was standing. And after some time the balloon burst and he fell on in front of the Monty cat. And he told that he in that journey he shows that he said that how the views were from the side view, top view, how the things were looking small, and when he actually saw the things and how big it was looking in front of him. Okay, so same, now there is a park behind the his house. So you can see the park. This is the picture of the bigger picture from this is the top view of that area. We can see the park also. And there's some, you can see this is a Gappu's house. I'll show you the house. If you, uh This is a Gappu's house. I'll mark it as G. This is a park. This is the sweet shop where he saw that. It's first time he came to know that there is a sweet shop near to his house. There are some benches they had kept. Here is a seesaw. Here is a garden of flower bed. Some vehicles are there, roads are there. Okay, so let's see what questions are there. Mark, first question is mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. A, B, C, D. If you observe the picture carefully, you can see they had marked the gate. There is one first gate there. This is the first gate, A. This is the another gate, B. This is the other gate, C. This is the other gate, D. Okay, so these are the some four gates to enter in the park. And what question they had asked, mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. You can see the sweet shop is here. Which gate is near to sweet shop? Yes, the A gate is near to the sweet shop. Which gate is near to the Gappu's house? You can see this is the Gappu's house, and this gate near to the Gappu's house is C gate. If you enter from a gate B, the green bench will be to your left side, right side, or a front. This is the entry of a gate B. As you enter in this gate, this is the green bench. Observe yourself that you are standing you are standing in front of the gate and you are entering in the park. Okay, so when you enter in the park, the green benches of which from which of your side? It is of our left side or it is from right side? Yes, observe it and tell. Or it is in front of you. It is towards your left side. Okay, observe yourself over there. When Suhasini entered the park, okay, the girl they had given, when she entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she enter from? So you can see the flower bed. This is the flower bed. What happened when Suhasini entered? When she entered, the what we say the gate, the flower bed was of her right side. Now, if we enter from the gate A, the flower bed is of our left side. Okay, when we enter from a D, the flower bed is of our right side. So Suhani enter from which gate? She enter from a gate B. Which of these is nearest to you if you enter from the gate C? A basketball court, green bench, flower bed, or seesaw. This is a gate C. When you enter here, you can see the flower bed is far from you. Then the court is also far from the gate C, even though the green bench is also far from the gate C. But the seesaw, it is near to a gate C. So which thing is near to the gate C? That is a seesaw. Understood? Let's go to the page number 58. This is the Ismail's house, and on the phone he is telling how to come to his house to Srijata. The route he is showing. Obviously, we also sometimes when a friend or some mama or papa, some relatives are is going to arrive to our house. So we just tell them a proper route. We tell them that from this shop, take a right, take a left. There will be the bridge. There will be the tower. There will be some shops, or there will be the garden. Yes, so this was the conversation of Ismail and Srijata, and this is the map of Ismail's house. You can see in a pink form that this is the Srijata's house, and the here the orange you can see Ismail's house. Okay, let's see how Ismail had told the Srijata his route. From your house, reach the milk booth. Yeah, from Srijata's house, there is a milk booth. And then take a left turn. Obviously, when we are standing here, the left turn is from which side left turn? It is from this side. Now, from the second crossing, not a first crossing. This is the first crossing, second crossing. Let's go second crossing. This is a second crossing. Where to take? Left or right? Take a right turn, go over the bridge. So he had asked us to take asked to Srijata to take a right turn and go over the bridge. Now he is going straight, go straight and then take a first right. So he was telling that when you go cross a bridge, you can see the first cross, take a take a right turn. So this is the right turn. Yes, a far about 100 meters, you will see a big park. Can you see the big park? I can't see because he had told us to take a right turn. When you cross the park, you will come to side lane, and my house is the first in that lane. But we can see that instead of right turn, we have to he should tell Srijata to take a left turn, because at 100 meters there is a park, and after that there is a Ismail's house. Yes, but he had told a wrong address. Instead of left turn, he had said that take a right turn. So the question is, did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Can you correct him? Yes, he go wrong. That he had told Srijata that take a first right, but no, she have to take a left, and then 100 meter ahead there will be a park, big park. Cross that park, you will come out to a side lane. So this is the side lane, and then he have to come. Instead of taking left, sorry, taking right, she have to take a left, and there is a park and there is a side lane. Understood? This was the so whenever you tell the address to someone, see that it is a left or right. So now onwards, when you'll go to your house, when you'll go to so means when you'll travel from your house to somewhere, observe that which turn you are taking right turn or you're taking left turn, or from or from right side, which things are there, and from left for to your left side, which things are there. So it will be easy to tell address to someone. Okay, now show where Srijata will reach if she takes a route, he told her. So where Srijata will reach? She will reach to opposite to the Ismail's house. Write the direction for going from Ismail's house to Srijata. So just you have to write a direction. Same way how what we are yes Ismail had told, but there will be a correction. So that correction you have to do. Let's go on page number 59. Ghibli and the Big Boss. The Ghibli. Ghibli is one ant we had seen in before last year in Maths Magic Book 3. So she found a box somewhere, big box, and she is moving it from left to across, left, up, and down, and she can see other face of the big box. Means this is a box. She can see the numbers or somewhere. Now Giggly is confused. What was this box? What is this box? It has different numbers on different sides. She climbed on a cup and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. So this was the block. Can you guess what that box like this? Which box is this? This is a dice. Yes, dice means what? When you play a snakes and ladders, DICE. Dice. When you play a snakes and ladder, that time you require this dice. Yes, you throw the dice and then you play. When you play Ludo, that time also you use dice to play. And you can see some numbers and some what we say. Some numbers had they had given over there. Some numbers are written on that boxes 1 4 5 6, or some dots had 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots on all sides of that dice. Okay, so number on the opposite faces of this box is box add to 7. So if you add this all box numbers 1 2 3 4 5, so it is still 7. Add to 7. So let's see which box, what they had asked the question. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? See this box, 5. Which number is opposite of this? Can you see which number is there? No. Let's find which. So for that, what we have to do? We have to minus 5 from 7, because 7 add in these boxes. So 7 minus 5. How many? What will be the answer? 7 minus 5? 2. So which number will be the opposite of this 5? It will be 2. Okay. In the picture, which number will be at the bottom? Which number will be at the bottom? So you can see on the upside top of this box, which number is there? It is 1. So minus 7 minus 1, you'll get automatically a bottom number. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So bottom number will be 6. Which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? Now she have to turn a left from 5. So which number she will get? See which number she will get? 5. Left side of 5. She will get 3 number. You can use dice also if you want to know the answer. What will this box look like? If you open this box, which marks how the box will look? It will look look like a picture A, or a picture B, or picture C, or a picture D. Just observe the dice and then write the answer, then tick the correct picture. Now they had asked some question. Draw a shape like this on a thick paper. Cut it out and color the. And you can join that box and you can use as a dice to play a game, or snake and ladder, or Ludo, anything. Okay. So this was the chapter, the way the world looks. So in this we had learned the top view, the views, how the things look from upside, and how the things look from in front of or left side or right side. Okay. Then we had seen the map also. When we tell address to someone, from which side, with left side, the things are there, from which things are located from right side. That things we told to we have mentioned in that address, and then we give a proper address to the person who is arriving to our house. Okay, so this we had finished with that chapter. If you don't understand, let me know on WhatsApp. Send me the queries. Okay. Take care. Bye.